History class, I use Google Documents to hand in assignments, to do some work with my friends by sharing the document, by getting feedback from my teacher.
We use it to write our assignments and send to the teacher so she can see it and give feedback so we can do better.
It did change because the work that I handed in before on paper, it wasn't well done. It didn't give good marks. I just tried to do it, to hand it in. But getting feedback, like, it helped me produce a better product to give to the teacher.
So when we are doing our assignment, we can share with the people that we want, and with that we can feed feedback to the other persons and improve the other works. And we can
like see each other's comments.
yeah.
Now, you decided to do that on your own before I even started that in the class. So what made you decide that that was something you wanted to do?
Because English is our second language and
We
all
can help
three
each
we have-
other.
Yeah, because we have the first language is the same.
Mm-hmm.
So it's better to comment and say that's wrong or that's right.
Mm-hmm.
It just makes me think more, like, and add more details to it.
Mm-hmm.
It makes me see what I could change. The thing that it's doing for me is it's helping me to see the stuff and to use my notes, and helping me to compare what I did and to fix the stuff.
Well, I don't like talking to teachers. I don't like going up to them.
Yeah, don't worry.
And I didn't have to go face to face to a teacher to ask questions because I know I wouldn't. I'm not a person who goes up to people. It's either I get a friend or I don't ask anything at all. So asking the teacher, getting an email, or her commenting on my work, it helped because I think I wouldn't have asked for help if it wasn't for that.
I can always look back to it and improve my next assignment. So whatever I did wrong, I know that each assignment I can improve in the same way. I can add my stuff into it, and I know I can fix, I need to fix this, I can add this to my next one.
It really helps me, and it's easier for me to refer to, and it gives me more thinking.
And were you able to watch it at home?
Yeah, I was able to.
And how many times do you think you watched it?
I watched it about 2 or 3 times.
And did you pause it and go back and forth?
Yeah, I paused it to take the notes on the women, on how they were dressed in their clothing.
We can review the lesson, and if we don't go to school one day because we have an appointment or something, we can go home and then check the lesson online.
And how many times do you think you looked at the lesson?
A lot of times. Yeah.
And did it help you to learn about the 1920s and
Yes.
use and get evidence?
It helps more when it's online because it's all
We can all check
perfect.
all the time, and if we forget about something, we can always check.
Mm-hmm.
To me, the most useful part of using Google Docs would be the fact that I can share a document with my friend and save time while let's say I can't go to her house. For example, I'm saving my own time and she's saving her time. We can work on the same document and not be together. So we can do stuff faster and in a more effective way.
Okay.
Useful for the part that when we receive the feedback, we can improve more our mark in the work,
Mm-hmm.
and we can work more time.
Does it help any of you that you can work on it wherever you are because you don't
Yes.
have to log into a network?
Yes.
And how do you access it? Are you just accessing it on your laptop, or do you use a tablet or a phone?
Laptop and phone. Yeah.
So you can carry your phone around and
When I'm
see your
not
drive?
home, I can go on my phone, on my Gmail, and check the lesson.
Do you think it helps you to hand things in on time too?
Yes.
Yes.
It does.
Mm-hmm. Because I just noticed, like in the last assignment, everybody handed it in on time. And in an applied class, that doesn't happen. Do you hand things in late in ever in your other classes, or maybe you hand it in when you don't feel 100% sure?
Yeah, sometimes you
Yeah.
ask more time to the other
Sometimes I give
teachers.
to the teacher and I think it's not right, but it's the due date, so I need to give it to her.
Okay.
Because paper gets confusing and having a computer is a lot easier, plus there's spell check.